Hello everyone, I am Mr. Sagar D. Bopre, working as an assistant professor in Department of ENTC of AISSMS IOIT Pune. In this video, I am going to tell you something about soil humidity measurement. So what is soil humidity or moisture content of the soil? Soil moisture is the water stored in the soil and is affected by precipitation, temperature, soil characteristics, and many more factors. There are spaces or pores between the solid particles of soil. Air and water exist in these pores. The size of the soil particles and pores affects how much water a soil can hold and how that water moves through the soil. These same factors help determine the suitability of land for growing crops. The health of our crops relies upon an adequate supply of moisture and soil nutrients, among other things. As moisture availability declines, the normal function and growth of plants are disrupted and crop yields are reduced. And as our climate changes, moisture availability in soil is becoming more variable. Now, what are the different major techniques of soil moisture measurement? Measuring soil moisture is important for agricultural applications to help farmers manage their irrigation systems more efficiently. Knowing the exact soil moisture conditions on their fields, farmers are able to generally use less water to grow a crop, and they are also able to increase yields and the quality of the crop by improved management of soil moisture during critical plant growth stages. There are many ways to measure soil moisture. This ranges from the laborious but reliable and accurate gravimetric methods of soil samples to the use of portable soil moisture meters, as well as permanently located devices with accompanying data loggers. Now, what is gravimetric technique? In this technique, soil samples are collected, weighed, oven dried at about 100 degrees Celsius and weighed again. From before and after readings, the soil's water content is easily calculated as a percentage. This method can be used to check the accuracy of other measurement methods. Drawbacks of this technique are the gravimetric method is time consuming and not suitable for routine field measurements of many plots. Next technique is soil moisture sensors. Soil moisture sensors measure the volumetric water content in soil. Since the direct gravimetric measurement of pre-soil moisture requires removing, drying, and weighing of a sample, soil moisture sensors measure the volumetric water content indirectly by using some other property of the soil, such as electrical resistance, dielectric constant, or interaction with neutrons. As a proxy for the moisture content, soil moisture sensors typically refer to sensors that estimate volumetric water content. Another class of sensors measure another property of the moisture in soils called water potential. These sensors are usually referred to as soil water potential sensors and include tensiometers. Now, tensiometer. What is the meaning of tensiometer and how it measures the soil moisture content? A tensiometer in soil science is measuring instrument used to determine the water potential or the soil moisture tension. This device typically consists of a glass or plastic tube with a porous ceramic cap and is filled with water. The top of the tube has a built-in vacuum gauge which uses a hypodermic needle to measure the pressure inside the tensiometer. The tensiometer is buried in the soil and a hand pump is used to pull a partial vacuum. As the soil dries, soil water tension increases, which draws water from the reservoir of the tensiometer through a porous ceramic tip, creating a vacuum in the tensiometer, which is measured and calibrated to soil humidity. Electrical impedance measurement. The most common configuration is based on the standing wave. The device comprises a 100 MHz sinusoidal oscillator, a fixed impedance coaxial transmission line, and probe wires which is buried in the soil. The oscillator signal is propagated along the transmission line into the soil probe, and if the probe's impedance differs from that of the transmission line, a proportion of the incident signal is reflected back along the line towards the signal source. Next sensor is TDR moisture sensor. A TDR moisture sensor employs time domain reflectometry to measure moisture content indirectly based on the correlation to electric and dielectric properties of soil. Measurement usually involves inserting a sensor into the substance to be tested and then applying either standard waveform analysis to determine the average moisture content along the sensor or profile analysis to provide moisture content at discrete points along the sensor. A spatial location can be achieved by appropriate installation of several sensors. Next sensor is neutron moisture meter. A neutron moisture meter is a moisture meter utilizing neutron scattering. The meters are most frequently used to measure the water content in soil or rock. The technique is non-destructive and is sensitive to moisture in the bulk of the target material, not just at the surface. Water, due to its hydrogen content, is an effective neutron moderator, slowing high energy neutrons. With a source of high energy neutrons and a detector sensitive to low energy neutrons, the detection rate will be governed by the water content of the soil between the source and the detector. So these are the sensors which are used to measure soil moisture content. For making this video, I have used these references. Thank you.